Welcome to day 40 of our vocabulary journey. Today we're diving into 27 advanced words to elevate your English and boost your confidence. This video is perfect whether you are prepping for an exam, enhancing your English, or simply love learning new words. Let's start this exciting day of vocabulary improvement. Get ready to explore each word with its meaning, examples, and tips to master them. Our first word is appreciation, meaning a feeling of thankfulness. Example, his appreciation was clear in his thank you note. Next up is esteem, meaning respect and admiration. Example, she held her mentor in high esteem. The third word is respect, meaning deep admiration. Example, it's important to show respect to teachers. Fourth is admiration, meaning a feeling of great respect. Example, his admiration for the artist showed in his collection. Next is reverence, meaning deep respect or awe. Example, they stood in reverence during the ceremony. Let's hear about extol, meaning to praise highly. Example, critics extolled the director's vision. We have acclaim next, meaning public praise. Example, the movie received acclaim for its storytelling. Now let's look at venerate, meaning to regard with deep respect. Example, many venerate historical figures. Moving on to affection, meaning fondness or liking. Example, she showed affection with a heartfelt gift. Next is honor, meaning high respect. Example, it was an honor to be invited to the ceremony. Let's explore compliment, meaning a polite expression of praise. Example, many complimented her presentation. Commence is our next word, meaning to begin. Example, the meeting will commence at 9 a.m. Next is applause, meaning approval shown by clapping. Example, the speaker received loud applause. Hail is our next word, meaning to greet with enthusiasm. Example, the team hailed their coach. Next we have accolade, meaning an award granted as a special honor. Example, the actor received numerous accolades. Tribute is next, meaning an act to show gratitude. Example, the concert was a tribute to a legendary singer. Next word is reward, meaning recognition of effort. Example, he was given a reward for his project. Deserve is our next word, meaning to earn something due to actions. Example, she deserves the promotion. Next is meritorious, meaning deserving praise for achievements. Example, his service earned him a medal. Merit is our next word, meaning the quality of being good. Example, the proposal was accepted based on merit. Next we have demerit, meaning a quality deserving of criticism. Example, the student received a demerit for tardiness. Advantage is next, meaning a favorable condition. Example, his fluency in languages gave him an advantage. Virtue is next, meaning a positive quality. Example, patience is a virtue in difficult times. Next is morality, meaning principles of right and wrong. Example, the company's morality was questioned. Moral is next, meaning concerned with right behavior. Example, his moral compass guided his decisions. Ethics is next, meaning moral principles governing behavior. Example, the lawyer's ethics were tested. Finally, we have noble, meaning showing fine personal qualities. Example, he displayed a noble attitude in his actions. Which words do you find most useful? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Keep practicing these words,